The Blue Bulldog Margarita. It's called the Bulldog because two Corona bottles act as ears, okay? So it's like a dog, I guess the limes are like eyes. I don't know, okay? It's a deformed animal. Anyway, iced tequila, all right? This is real simple to make, but it's a lot of fun. Hit that with some fresh squeezed lime juice. These are organic limes from Whole Foods, 6 of them, $600, okay? All right? Seriously, okay? I have to wash some dishes there. Wait, it's not a restaurant. I have to clean the floors. I don't know. Anyway, I owe them some money. Hit this with some blue Curaçao. Can I get a standing ovation for blue Curaçao? We try to use this in as many drinks as we can, just to upset you, okay? All the haters out there. And we pour a delicious mix. Tell me, it does look good, okay? It's just a fun tasting drink. Grab 2 little Coronitas, okay? They're mini Coronas. Stick those in, and that beer flows out and flavors our margarita. Put on our little dog eyes, okay? In lime form, okay? All right? Kind of look like a little mutant dog, but it's still good. It's a good tasting drink. Don't focus on the negative, okay? This makes it very heavy though, okay? Seriously, you have to be kind of buff. Luckily, I have big bulging muscles, ladies. Okay, that's right, I'm ripped.